My nigga finna bring y'all one more, know what I'm saying? Big man Stepper, man. Do a thing. Peace. Big man Stepper. Nigga gone and rapper. Tell her mama shake her salt and pepper. Big man Stepper. Nigga big man Stepper. Tell her baby to take her salt and pepper. Nigga, big man stuff, you know what I'm saying? BC community, you know what I'm saying? What BC community is basically about, trying to come up, man, do something for your community, man, for your people, you know what I'm saying? To live with the children, if you get it, man, give back to the folks, man, have a little barbecue Saturday, Sundays at the beach, give out play for free, man. They come to the park and play, that type of movement, man. And I'm on that, man. I need to make this move, if I ever blow, that's what I'm gonna do. Marquis Lyman, you know what I'm saying? Billy, whatever you want to call it, Keisha, man, you know what I'm saying? BC Black community, man, all black entertainment, man. So I'm just, you know what I'm saying, freestyling on these beats, man. On this YouTube shit, trying to make a little hit, a little movement or whatever, man. But the money comes to me, you know what I'm saying? I get back to the live, that's how I do it, man. Because we need to come together, man, just like the rest of the culture doing, you know what I'm saying? I was talking about black folk, we need to come together, my nigga, and make a move, you know what I'm saying? Because they teach us that bullshit, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got to get into it to draw us away from each other. But if we ever got together, we it, you know what I'm saying? We the player, we the movement, you know what I'm saying? And man, all that shit, man. They got presidents, they all down 45th Street and that shit, but it's all good. No need to get into it, no. But yeah, BC Black community, man, from the people, man, from the folks, man. And man, I'm trying to stress that issue. We need to make a movement, man. And it's all real, it's all good, and the real. I'm doing it for my broke folks, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, I ain't got a dime, nigga, nothing. I'm trying to make a hit, nigga. This for the broke, nigga. This for the motherfucking niggas who got it, nigga. For real, nigga. This for the rich, this for the poor, nigga. This for the whoever feel my shit, nigga. And bitch, let's run with it, the world. That's real, all the universe, you know what I'm saying? Lord Star, be with everybody. We love you. And that's real. BC, you know what I'm saying? Freestyle Cone. And I'm out here for the day. I'll holler at you later. Keisha Beats, you know what I'm saying? Do a thing, yeah.